With a substantial 14,000 British thermal units of cooling power, this air conditioner is perfectly suited for effectively managing the temperature in large spaces up to 700 square feet. This versatile unit offers 3 distinct modes, functioning as an air conditioner, a fan, and a powerful dehumidifier capable of removing up to 95 pints of moisture from the air daily. Operating the unit is incredibly convenient thanks to a clear front-facing LED display and an included remote control that works from up to 23 feet away. A clever self-evaporating system is built in, which means you won't have to constantly empty a water collection tank during typical operation. Its design prioritizes mobility, featuring 4 smooth-gliding 360-degree caster wheels and integrated handles that make moving it from room to room an effortless task. Installation is straightforward with the included window kit, and features like a 24-hour timer and a dedicated sleep mode add to its overall convenience.